Hello, thank you so much for choosing Ivory Dental for your dental implant procedure. At Ivory, we do understand that having a dental implant procedure done can be sometimes overwhelming for a patient. That's why I am here to guide you on what to do after your dental implant procedure is done. Please follow all these instructions thoroughly so that you can enjoy getting a new smile and have a better experience of your dental treatment. I understand that you must be a little scared right now as your implant procedure has just been over, but let me tell you, the wait and the procedure is all going to be worth it after a few days when you get your smile and when you understand that it is going to improve your overall quality of life because you will be able to chew better and you will be able to use both sides of your mouth very comfortably and easily. Your digestion will improve, your smile will improve, your overall confidence will improve because you will no longer have the risk of falling dentures or broken teeth in your mouth. The most important thing to understand as a patient at this point is how well your body is going to recover from this procedure so that your dental implants are successful. The success of your dental implants depend on how well your body recovers from the dental implant procedure. To help your body recover, I'll inform you some do's and don'ts now so that we can get maximum success out of this procedure. So one thing which you must know that any kind of procedure in the mouth or on the body is kind of a stressful situation for the body. So you must allow enough time for your body to recover from this procedure. I will advise you to take a day off from work if you can. Even just have a lighter day. Try to relax, not do any physical exercise during the day. Try to avoid any yoga, pranayam, breathing exercises or any kind of weightlifting after this procedure is done for at least 24 hours. You can for one day skip your walk, but do not skip your rest. Have a good night's sleep today so that your body can recover from this procedure easily. When you lay down to rest, always use at least 2 or 3 pillows under your head. Do not lie flat down on the bed because it will increase the blood supply to your face and there may be increased chances of bleeding or swelling the next day. So keep up your head a little bit in a reclined position when you sleep today. Also, try to ensure that you are not sleeping on the side where the procedure was done. Try to sleep on the other side. Do not push any pressure on the side where the procedure was done. If you have undergone a full mouth implant procedure at our center, try to sleep for the first day facing flat, facing ahead, not on one side. It is needless to say that your body right now needs a lot of support. So keep drinking a lot of water during the day and of course till the end of your medications. Keep yourself thoroughly hydrated. Also, do take all your medications on time. Do not skip any of your medications even if you're not experiencing any kind of pain. The painkillers which we have prescribed are anti-inflammatory agents. They will decrease the inflammation and help the site to recover easily and faster. Your painkillers and antibiotics will help to keep the infection away. They will help to reduce the swelling in that area. So you must take all your medications on time and regularly. If you are having any allergy or any side effects to these medications, you can feel free to contact me on the clinic number. Now many patients ask me, how should I clean my mouth once the procedure is done? For 24 hours, I will advise you not to clean your mouth. Do not rinse, do not gargle, do not brush, and do not spit out anything from the mouth. Any kind of disturbance to the area where we have done the procedure or any kind of disturbance in the mouth will increase the chances of bleeding and infection occurring. So do not try to brush that area for today. Do not rinse your mouth, gargle your mouth or spit out anything from the mouth. If you are collecting a lot of saliva in the mouth, it is very normal. You can just gulp it down with some cold water. If you are having a lot of blood in the mouth, please do contact our clinic. After 24 hours, you can very well clean the whole mouth. If you have got an implant done in either side of the jaw, you can definitely clean the rest of the mouth, leaving the operated side away for 2 to 3 days. After 3 days, you can brush the operated side also. You can brush with a soft brush as taught to you in the clinic. You can try to use the brush and keeping it away from the gums. Try not to engage the brush onto the sutures or the stitches which are given after your implant procedure. Keep them away from the stitches. You can use your regular toothpaste after 3 days. You can use your regular mouthwash after 24 hours. So to summarize the cleaning, for the first 24 hours, do not brush, rinse or gargle your mouth. Do not spit anything out of your mouth. From the third day onwards, you can brush, gargle, rinse and do all the usual activities including on the site of the procedure. In the rest of the mouth, you can very easily brush from the next day onwards. One of the questions which may be coming in your mind is, now that I have got a procedure done, what am I supposed to eat and what am I supposed to not eat? So you must have a well-balanced vitamin and protein rich diet so that it supports your body for natural healing. In your diet, you can include for today only liquid and semi-solid foods. Liquids like milkshakes, ice cream are good for the first 8 to 10 hours. After that, you can shift to semi-solid diets like oats and cereals, which do not have any nuts in them, are not crunchy, they should be very soft and very easy to gulp. You must be able to gulp these food in about 10 to 15 portions. Stay away from junk food, fried food and spicy food for the next 3 to 5 days as tolerated by your mouth. If you eat spicy and very salty food on the first day, then you may experience some burning on the wound. So please try to stay away from these kind of foods. Have bland diet, have a soft diet, have a semi-solid diet for the next 3 to 5 days. Slowly, as the swelling comes down, you can shift to your normal food in about 4 to 6 days. It takes about 8 to 12 weeks for the implants to get integrated in the jawbone. For that particular amount of time, we would like you to eat only semi-solid food from the area where your implant was done. Not put a lot of pressure, because your pressure can initiate a movement in the implant. If you have got a full mouth implant surgery done from our center, I will definitely advise you not to eat anything hard or anything very crunchy for the first 3 months. After 3 months, when we meet for a follow-up, I will definitely advise you what kind of food you can take. Needless to say, smoking and alcohol drinking is strictly prohibited when any procedure of the mouth is done. Smoking can really delay the healing. Alcohol consumption can interact with your medications and make you feel drowsy or nauseating. Smoking can also affect your dental implant recovery and the long-term success rate of this procedure. So stay away from smoking and alcohol drinking. If you are a chronic smoker, please try not to smoke at least for 7 days till the initial healing has progressed, and then try to overcome this habit by reducing the smoking in a stepwise manner. When you are taking the milkshakes or ice cream or juice, try not to use a straw, because a straw will initiate a negative sucking action in the mouth and it can again cause some bleeding. For the first 24 hours, avoid the use of a straw. Now, a cotton must have been placed after the procedure on the surgical site. That cotton is supposed to be kept there tightly, holding in between the two jaws for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can take the cotton out and dispose it off with hygiene. Do not put your finger on the surgical site to prevent any infection. If you feel that there is some ooze of blood coming out from the wound, you can take a sterile cotton, dip it in cold water and again press on that site for next half an hour. In case you experience any bleeding and you see blood filling up in your mouth every 15 to 20 minutes, do contact us immediately, as it can be an emergency. We are always there to help you out with any queries. You can contact the clinic or contact me personally. I am always available for my patients to solve their queries after the dental implant procedure. Wish you a very healthy and successful dental implant recovery. Thank you.